Kids drawing.
Hello, everyone. Let's play. A, B, C,
A is for apple.
D,
Apple. Apple. A.
E,
Apple. B is for baby.
F,
Baby. Baby.
G,
B. Baby. C.
H,
Candy. Candy.
I,
Candy. C. Candy.
J,
D is for diamond.
K,
Diamond. Diamond.
L,
D. Diamond. E.
M,
Elephant. Elephant.
N,
Elephant. E.
O,
Elephant.
P,
F is for fairy.
Q,
Fairy.
R,
Fairy. F. Fairy.
S,
G is for glasses.
T,
Glasses. Glasses.
U,
Glasses. H is for hand.
V,
Hand.
W,
Hand. H. Hand.
X,
I is for igloo.
Y,
Igloo.
Z.
I. Igloo.
Good.
Is for jelly.
Let's move on.
Jelly.
A,
Jelly. Jelly.
B, C,
K is for keyboard.
D,
Keyboard. Keyboard.
E.
K. Keyboard. L is for ladybug.
F,
Ladybug.
G,
Ladybug. L. Ladybug. M is for monkey.
H,
Monkey.
I,
Monkey. M.
J,
Monkey. N is for needle.
K,
Needle.
L,
Needle. N. Needle.
M,
O is for orange. Orange.
N,
Orange. O. Orange.
O, P,
P is for pony.
Q,
Pony.
R,
Pony. P. Pony.
S,
Is for queen. Queen.
T,
Queen. Q. Queen. R is for
U.
rainbow.
V,
Rainbow. R.
W,
Rainbow. S is for spider.
X,
Spider.
Y,
Spider. S. Spider.
Z,
Is for tiger.